Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. Dear students, in the last few classes we discussed the first unit of ERP and I have started second unit, and in that I have completed two topics in second unit, isn't it? So what is on marketing and sales and what kind of decisions the marketing and sales will take. Okay, that is one topic, and second topic is the overview of fitters snackers. Okay, so after that the next topic in the second unit is problems with fitters snackers. Okay, so when we discuss about the overview of fitters snackers, what is fitters snackers? Okay, we says fitters snackers. FS, we says FS, fitters snackers, isn't it? So fitters snackers is a company. It is a company which manufacture the snack bars. Okay, so what kind of snack bars the fitters snackers manufactures? Okay, it manufactures two kind of snack bars. One is NRGA, another one is NRGB. Okay, so what is NRGA and what is NRGB? Okay, so these are the two kind of products. Which the fitters snackers will manufacture. Okay, and in NRGA and NRGB, the ingredients. What are the ingredients? I have listed a few ingredients which we use to build these snack bars. Okay, so how the NRGA and NRGB will differentiated? How we have to distinguish NRGA with NRGB? Okay, NRGA is used for advanced energy. It is used for advanced energy. And NRGB, it is used for bodybuilding. Okay, so NRGA, this snack bar is specifically manufactured for advanced energy, to provide advanced energy, and NRGB is manufactured for bodybuilders, okay, to build body. Okay, so these are the two snack bars which the fitters snackers will manufacture. Okay, and how these two products are going to be business. Okay, for that it has two kind of business criteria. One is wholesale, another one is direct sale. Okay, so these are the two kind of business decisions which the fitters snackers will take. Okay, that is also discussed in the last class. Okay, that is also I have given in the overview of fitters snackers. Okay, so based upon that two things, the marketing and sales will help the fitters snacker to do its business. Okay, now the question is going to be raised in your mind. So what is the need of having the overview of this fitters snacker? So why I am telling this, we have to know what is an fitters snacker, that is FS, and what the FS is going to be manufactured. You have to keep it in your mind. The FS is the fitters snackers company, and it manufactures two kind of snack bars, NRGA and NRGB. NRGA is helpful for advanced energy and NRGB is helpful for bodybuilding, and these two snack bar products are manufactured. After manufacturing, the marketing and sales will take part to distribute, to make business. Okay, so the marketing and sales will take care to do business of these two products. Okay, so here I would like to say one thing. The technical term, already previously I told you that, what is the integrated system? Integrated systems and non-integrated. Okay, so integrated systems and non-integrated systems. We have a idea about what is an integrated system. Okay, so here in the first unit we discussed several functional areas. What are the functional areas? Each and every business may have these four functional areas. What are the four functional areas? One is marketing and sales. marketing and sales. Second one is supply chain management. And third one is accounting and finance. And fourth one is HR. Okay. So these are the four functional areas we have in every business, isn't it? Okay. So after having these functional areas, we may have an interlink between these four functional areas. It means that these four functional areas may have connected with a common database so that they can share information within them. Okay. So these functional areas, if share the common database, then that type of frame or company is said to be as an integrated system. If it doesn't have a common database, the marketing and sales is not sharing information with the SCM, or SCM is not sharing the information with the accounting and finance, or accounting and finance is not sharing with the HR, then it means that it is not sharing the common database. Then this is called unintegrated systems. Okay. So here I said that the Fitness Snacker is doing business. It is a frame, it is started, it is manufacturing several snack bars, and it distributes. Okay. And it has the business criteria in the marketing and sales, like direct sales and wholesale division. So whatever the business it does, okay, and it is not integrated, so it is not sharing the information within one among. The functional areas is not sharing the information with one among. So here, if it is not integrated, so if the system is not integrated, there may be a chance to get inaccurate information. The inaccurate information will lead to the loss of the business. Okay. So here, this is the first topic. I have briefed the overview of Fitness Snackers. And now, what are the problems? What are the problems which we may get if the system is unintegrated? If the system is unintegrated. So that I would like to explain here. Okay. You got it? Okay. Just you see, you don't bother that. Just you keep it in your mind. What is Fitness Snacker? Fitness Snacker is a company. It manufactures two kind of snack bars, Energy and Energy B, and it has two kind of business. It does two ways of business. One is wholesale and direct sale. Direct sale. From these two modes, the marketing and sale will help to do the business. Okay, and it is unintegrated system. It is not maintaining the common database, so that we says it is a unintegrated system. It uses the unintegrated system. That's about the overview of Fitness Snacker. Okay. Now next we are going to discuss what are the problems with Fitness Snackers. Problems with Fitness Snackers. Okay. What kind of problems we are going to get with Fitness Snacker? So that I will explain. Problems with FS, that is Fitness Snacker. Problems with Fitness Snacker. So what kind of problems we will get when we don't have integrated system? Okay, once again I would like to clarify what is an integrated system. Integrated system means if you have a business, the business may function using the functional areas. What are the functional areas we are having? The four kind of functional areas we are having. That functional areas may share a common database. If you have database, you just imagine that we are having a database, common database. Okay. So this common database is going to be connected with all functional areas. For example, here we are having marketing and sales is one functional area, and supply chain management, another functional area. And we are having accounting and finance, another functional area. And finally, we are having HR. HR is another functional area. Okay, so these are the 4 functional areas we have. These functional areas may share a common database. So if it is integrated with the common database, then this is called integrated system. It is called integrated system. Integrated system. If any database which shares a common, if any company shares a common database within their functional areas, then the type of system is called as integrated system. I told you that the FitterSnacker is unintegrated system. It has an unintegrated, it is not integrated. Okay, so the FitterSnacker is unintegrated. It means that it is not sharing the common database. Obviously, the marketing and sales will deal with the system, so it has its own database. Likewise, supply chain management, it has its own database, and accounting finance, it has its own database, and HR, it has its own database. So every field, every functional area has an individual database. Every functional area has an individual database. So what are the activities this functional area does? Okay, so that should be stored in their database itself. Okay, if the supply chain management functional area need a business details regarding marketing and sales, and they have to ask the marketing and sales, and they will provide the information to supply chain management. If the information is not accurate, then the business get lost. Okay, so here getting information from marketing and sales to supply chain management, it is a little bit difficult task. Likewise, supply chain management wants some information from accounting and finance, and if the data is not available in time, what happens? Automatically the business will switch to another person, isn't it? Or the business may get lost. It leads to the loss of the business. Okay, so likewise the information is not received. For example, the marketing and sales person need some sales representative. So how many representatives need? So that is not linked with the HR database. So the HR is not aware how many representatives, sales reps are needed for marketing and sales, and they are not going to appoint such representatives for marketing and sales request. Then what happens if the sales representative, the enough sales representatives are not presented? Then automatically the marketing and sales functional area will not perform its activities well. Okay, if it is not going to do its activities as per the schedule, then what happens? Automatically the business get lost. Okay, so how these kind of things will happen? Because of the unintegrated of the system. So these are the problems which we have in FitterSnackers. Okay, so the sales process is going to be carried out, but what are the data are needed for the sales process? So that data are not shared through common database. So if it is not shared the common database, and we have the products in a warehouse, for example, see that sales process. Sales process is going to be carried out. Here we are having a warehouse. That is our godown. Okay, even though the needed products are available in the warehouse, but we don't have a common database. So the salesperson unaware what kind of data, how much of data is available in the warehouse. So he will not take that much of orders about its stock. Okay, so for example, if we have 100 products in our warehouse, the demand is 100, but though the sales person doesn't know how much of sales products, how much of products are stocked in the warehouse, he don't have a clear idea, then he will not take 100. Okay, he will hesitate to get 100 product, and he will get only 50 out of 100. Okay, so 50 will be dumped in the warehouse itself. How it happens, or why it happens? Because it is not integrated, it is not sharing the common database. Okay, though if the sales person will contact the supply chain management, and the supply chain management will verify, and it will tell the salesperson, and after that if the salesperson takes the order, it is too late to deliver the product. Okay, then if we have a common database. Okay, so in this way, okay, if the common database is not available, it is not integrated, the functional areas are not integrated with the common database, it is not performing its activities well and done, then the business gets lost. Okay, so this is the differences when we have an integrated system or unintegrated system. We have an integrated system, then we can easily get informations. Okay, or if we don't have an integrated or common database, then the business get lost. Okay, so this is the problem which we have in Fitter Snackers. The Fitter Snackers may not have a common database. It is not sharing the common database. It is not integrated. It is unintegrated. So the accurate information will not be shared. Only the approximate information are shared. The approximate information will not give the proper solution. So this is the problem which we have in Fitter Snackers. Okay guys, I hope you may understood what is an Fitter Snacker and what are the problems we have in Fitter Snackers. Okay, in next class we will discuss the sales order process. Okay, sales and distribution in marketing and sales. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you guys.